Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. That's Jack in the background. I'm watching. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a laundry room clean with me and laundry motivation. So I'm going to clean this mess of a laundry room. It is super messy, and get some laundry going and clean this big catch-all off that I loaded up with stuff yesterday, and then my shelves have gotten a little junky. So turning back up, hit the like button if you enjoy this video and if you like laundry motivation videos. Also leave me a comment down below if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Now let's get into it.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh.
So I buy the really big container of these scent boosters, and it's 26.5 ounces, and it fills up this jar pretty well. It leaves a little room at the top, which I like. And I had just filled the pods container, so I didn't show it in this video. And I got the pods container at Target. Yes, I got it at Target. They were out of the smaller one, so I didn't end up buying it. And the smaller container with the scent boosters, I got it at IKEA. And the first time I bought it, I swear it was like $3 or something. It was really cheap. And this last time I went to IKEA, I bought another one, and I didn't see a price when I was putting it into the cart. Later, I looked at the receipt, and I swear it was like $6. So if it was $6, that's about how much it is at Target. So I wouldn't necessarily buy it at IKEA again if it's the same price. But anyways, here we are going to be cleaning the top and bottom of the dryer. I'm not moving the dryers this time or cleaning all in the crevices. I'm just kind of giving it a wipe down.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely, I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. my type. Sweet and you care about my night, but I'm sobering up in this moment's past.
Okay, so this clip is going to probably be a little loud because I have the dryer going, but I dusted the shelves and put everything back up there, and I really don't know what I'm going to do with this jug here. It's porcelain. I don't want it to break, so I'm just setting it up there for now. But I like these two things, and of course I like my canisters for my laundry pods and boosters, but this just doesn't balance it like I want it to. I do like my little plant there, and I just didn't want to lose this. It's an old clothespin that I got from my grandma's house, so I just set it there for now. But I don't know, that's still a work in progress. So I got this extra jar. This is just like my scent booster jar. I got it from IKEA, and it was only like, well, I take that back, it was like $6 or just $6. That seems a lot. I don't know, but it cost a lot more this time than originally when I purchased it, and I totally did not keep my receipt. So I don't know how much I really spent on it, but it was more than what I thought it was. And this little basket, I used to keep the dish towels and the dish cloths in, but like when you go to reach, it brings this down, like you can see here, and I didn't want it to do that. And so first of all, I just switched it around, and in here I keep lint brushes, my spot remover, these microfiber cloths, and my Bona mop cloths. But anyway, so I have to figure out where I'm going to keep these. For now, they're fine right here. And I cleaned the washer and the dryer, just the top and the bottom. I didn't go all inside like I did in a video before.
Just broken, I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. No, 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 no. I need some time alone. Wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home alone. No, 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 no. I wanna go home some time alone. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.
So I have gotten in this bad habit of mixing laundry. I usually wash my towels together, my sheets together, and then dark clothes, white clothes. Then I stopped doing that and I did towels, sheets together, and then just all clothes together unless it was like certain clothing that shouldn't be washed together. I don't know if that even makes sense, but anyways, let me know down below how you sort your laundry.
Okay, so now I'm going to fold this load and put it away. And then this is about 2 loads of towels that I have left. And then in this basket is a load of clothes. And I'll be done. So let's get into folding.
We could have some fun, have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. Like me just the way I am, and I will like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and tell me all about your laundry routine. As you could tell, today I had tons of laundry to do, and so I just spent the whole day doing it. I even had to get out and run some errands, but I just made sure when I got back to the house that I started back up where I left off. If you are new here, I would love to have you a subscriber, and if you aren't, then please share my page with your friends. I am so close to 500 subscribers. I can't believe it. Halfway to 1,000, which is so awesome that I've met so many people and became friends with lots of people off of YouTube. If you want to be part of our YouTube community, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You got a smile that makes the sun rise.